So good evening and a warm welcome. Yes, it is St. Luke's Sound and we are live in the Bradford studio, and have we got a treat for you live in the studio. We've got Stella and Chris. Guys, how are you doing?
We're doing great.
Yeah?
We're very excited.
Chris has got dry mouth.
Has he?
I'm good.
No pork scratchings over there though, no?
Oh, on the way home.
On the way home.
So you're going to sing two songs for us. What's the first song and why have we picked that one?
Okay, so this first song we released just about a year ago. And it's a song that I wrote because every time I looked at the news, it just felt like the world was just dying on us and everybody felt so hopeless.
Yep.
So I wanted to write a song that kind of reflected that feeling of hopelessness. We never kind of thought that a year on that the world has actually got worse. So it's as relevant today as it was last year.
Yeah.
So it's actually called Fading Away, and it's actually a lament.
Fantastic. So I'm going to leave it to you. Enjoy. Thank you.
When I see the fading light, when the shadows come into sight, the seasons they come and they go, but when they change, you'll never know. We're fading away, fading away. We're standing still with nothing to say. We're fading away, fading away. We're fading away while the world decays. When the light disappears and the distant memories they fall like tears, there is no way to turn it around. When the rain like tears falls to the ground, we're fading away, fading away. We're standing still with nothing to say. We're fading away, fading away. We're standing still while the world decays. We're fading away, fading away. We're standing still with nothing to say. We're fading away, fading away. We're standing still while the world decays. We're fading away, fading away. We're standing still with nothing to say. We're fading away, fading away. We're standing still while the world decays.
Incredible. Thank you.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.